loss. There are a lot of us right now nga kakadula ang mga palangga naton sa kabuhi. And yes, it is really sad. And most of us can feel that sorrowful inside na feeling ta daw hindi nagtabala ka move on sa life. But you know, one of the things that I've learned during mag-preach si Pastor Romeo when it comes to burial, he will always say that it is not how long we live here on earth, but it's on how we live our life here on earth. So I know those people nga nadula, we've always remembered all the good memories na ginhatag nila sa aton. And yes, we will treasure it and we will learn from it. And ang question right now ang sa mga tao nga nabilin diri subong, what do you think we should do? Gisaga pa mangkot ko ano yan ang gusto nila matabo. Kung nadula sila sa aton, anong gusto nila matabo sa aton? I believe they want us to live a happy life, to move on, to move forward to what is next. Ang ilang nga life maging share sa aton, maka-learn ta through that. And yes, we can move forward to the next chapter of our life, to live our life again. It's okay to cry right now. It's okay to feel sad. But you know what? They want us to stand up and continue this journey called life. In Psalms 147 verse 3, our God heals the brokenhearted and He binds up their wounds. So we come to the presence of God, we pray to Him and expect and know that the presence of the Lord will touch you right now and will comfort you. And I pray for those nga nadulaan subong sang loved ones, even friends, family, or workmates nga nadulaan kasubong that really hurts you. I pray for God's comfort. I pray for God's peace over your life. I pray for God's strength that in this next chapter of your life, wala man sila subong sa tupad nimo, you can do it and you can still make it. God bless you.